Hello, everyone. Today, we're exploring something super cool in the world of explainable AI, or XAI, a technique called counterfactual explanations. Imagine an AI predicting your stroke risk and not just telling you the result, but also showing you how to change it. That's XAI for counterfactuals in action, and I'm excited to walk you through a real-world example. Let's dive in. Picture this. You're at the doctor's office, and an AI system analyzes your health data, like a stroke dataset with your age, BMI, and other factors, and says, right now, your prediction is 90% stroke. That's a big number, and you're probably thinking, why? What can I do about it? If the AI were a black box model, it'd stop there, leaving you puzzled and worried, with no idea how to move forward. But with XAI, things get a lot more interesting. Here's where counterfactual explanations come in. XAI doesn't just give you the prediction, it shows you what could change it. For example, the AI might say, right now, your prediction is 90% stroke. But if you would decrease your body mass index to 25, the prediction would be 70% no stroke. Boom! That's a counterfactual explanation. It's like the AI saying, here's what's happening now, and here's what could happen if you change one thing. Let's break it down. A counterfactual explanation looks at your current data, your BMI, age, or health conditions, and imagines a what-if scenario. In this case, it's asking, what if your BMI dropped to 25? How would that affect the stroke prediction? The AI runs the numbers and shows you a different outcome, 70% chance of no stroke instead of 90% stroke. It's not just telling you the problem, it's giving you a path to a solution. This is game-changing for you as an end user. Instead of staring at a scary 90% stroke and feeling helpless, you get a clear, actionable insight. You can talk to your doctor about ways to lower your BMI, maybe through diet, exercise, or other health plans. XAI empowers you to take control, turning a prediction into a roadmap for better health. And that's the power of counterfactuals in XAI. It takes a mysterious black box model, cracks it open, and gives you not just the why, but also the what if. Whether it's stroke risk, loan approvals, or any other AI decision, counterfactuals help you understand your current situation and explore alternatives. It's like having a crystal ball that doesn't just see the future, it shows you how to shape it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.